is Chun Lekana. I work for the Fishery Administration of Cambodia, specializing in earth and environmental science. I am in charge of coastal and marine fishery management. More than 140,000 fishers living in coastal community of Cambodia are depends on fishing activities for their livelihood and nutrition. It is currently evident that marine fishery resources are being exploited to an alarming extent. We have established fishery conservation areas to address this issue effectively. A total of 91,318 hectares, accounting for over 20% of coastal areas containing seagrass, coral reef, and mangrove, have been designated as conservation area along the coastal provinces. To ensure compliance with the conservation area, we work with local communities and relevant stakeholders to conduct regular patrols. The vessel monitoring system is also used for fishery surveillance to prevent fishing vessels from entering designated protected area. Women are encouraged to actively engage in this initiative. In addition to the contribution of the cross-cutting goals of SDG, our efforts significantly contribute to SDG 14, Life Below Water, by promoting the sustainable use and conservation of oceans and marine resources. We are preserving these habitats, maintaining ecosystem balance, and resilience against climate change impacts, which is responded to the target 14.2, protect and restore ecosystems. Preventing overfishing and allowing fish population to grow, which is contributed to the target 14.4, sustainable fishing that ensure long-term food security and livelihoods for coastal communities. This also directly contributes to the target 14.5, conserve coastal and marine areas, the goal of conserving at least 10% of coastal and marine areas. The target 14.7, economic benefits, by enhancing fish stocks and protecting marine biodiversity, supporting sustainable ecotourism and fisheries, boosting the economic resilience of coastal communities. And the target 14.b, access for the small-scale fishers, by promoting community-based fishery management. More importantly, it contributes to SDG goal number 5, achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls to participate in the program. My passion for conserving marine fishery resources comes from a deep understanding of the critical role in sustaining both ecosystems and human livelihoods. The motivation for my work stems from my self-awareness of my responsibility to protect this irreplaceable resource for future generations. The balance between natural supply and human demands fuels my commitment to protect fish stocks, safeguard communities, implement sustainable practices, and restore marine ecosystems. One of the most pressing challenges is convincing people, whether policymakers, fishers, or local communities, of the urgent needs to change. One of the strategies I employ to overcome this challenge is to approach every situation with empathy and an open mind. The greatest source of strength have been seeing a depleted fishery show signs of recovery, or when a community embraces sustainable fishing practices. It reinforces my belief that every small step counts. All the experiences, both the success and failures, have shaped who I am as a professional. They made me more resilient, more compassionate, and more determined to keep fighting for our oceans. The impact of our actions today is the health of our oceans and our people tomorrow.